Equity Management Academy. September 27, 2021. Bitcoin, Moment of Truth. Evergrande Black Swan. The market has been trying to discount the Evergrande news, the Chinese company that is about to default on billions in liabilities. It remains to be seen if the government will bail out the company. If no deal is forthcoming, there will be volatility in world markets. According to the NY Times, control of the banking system gives Beijing the tools to stop a broader collapse, officials believe, while censorship and police powers can stifle protests. The financial world is watching the struggles of China Evergrande Group, one of the largest property developers on earth and certainly the most indebted. Last week, a deadline to make an $83 million payment to foreign investors came and went with no indication that Evergrande had met its obligations, raising questions about what would happen if its huge debt load went sour. China announced a ban on cryptocurrency transactions, the latest in a series of crackdowns on virtual money that comes as countries around the world are considering tougher regulations of their own. Bitcoin. Bitcoin has almost regained what it lost last week. It is showing resilience. It is trading around the weekly average price of $43,687. The weekly initial targets are $47,153 to $51,222, which are levels that represent areas of resistance or distribution of supply. Supply is likely to come into the market at those levels. If Bitcoin goes above the sell levels, then they become support for the next higher fractal in price. Our proprietary robo-advisor, Nikki the robot, relying on our AI algorithm, the Variable Price Momentum Indicator, VCPMI, reported that for Bitcoin, the weekly SMA of 44,943 is bearish. The weekly VCPMI of 43,687 indicates a bearish price momentum. A close above 43,687 stop will negate this bearishness to neutral. If you're short, take profits at 39,618 and 36,152. If long, exit at 47,153 and 51,222. We are trading around the weekly average, which is a choppy area. We have come up from 40,802, which was the VCPMI daily buy signal. The daily and weekly targets, which is the weekly average price, were completed. The signal for day traders is neutral right now. The market is most likely to trade at the extreme above the average price of 47,153, or come down to the level of 39,618. The buy level is where buyers are likely to come into the market and where you want to accumulate long positions. When you go long, you can put a protective stop on a close below your entry pivot point. We do not recommend using straight stops, because if you do, you are likely to get stopped out. You can also choose to use a maximum dollar-based catastrophe stop. We use a $1,000 maximum catastrophe stop on our trades. Your amount will vary, depending on your comfort level. The third option is the level below, which is the buy to level on a close below. When the market is trading around the average price, there's a 50-50 chance of it going up or down, so we do not trade when markets are trading around the average price. We wait for extreme prices, when the trades have higher probabilities of success.
Thank you for listening. If you want to learn more about what we do, please go to the Equity Management Academy, ema2trade.com, or listen to any of our previous episodes.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, VCPMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VCPMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VCPMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VCPMI algorithm. The VCPMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VCPMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VCPMI? The VCPMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VCPMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VCPMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit ema2trade.com for more details.